Figma just launched MCP, so now you can take information from Figma and create a code with it, so it will look exactly how you designed in Figma. Let's take a look how it works and how you can configure it. Today I want to talk with you about a very important upgrade Figma added to the product. First of all, this is the page where they explain how to connect the MCP, but I will show it in the video. If you want to take a look on that, I will leave it on the description. So let's move one moment to Figma. If you don't know what is MCP, the MCP protocol, it's a protocol that takes information from Figma and send it to Cursor, Windsurf, or any other AI tools. Let's take a look on how it's look, and then I will show you how to configure it. Here I have a design I did for Chrome extension that I launched. It is a Chrome extension that helps you to fill form more fast. Now, when I wanted to develop this Chrome extension, what I needed to do is to take the information here and develop in Cursor. But now with MCP, it's much more easier. So I go here to the top, select the frame, right click on the mouse, go here to copy link to selection, click on that, and now I move to Cursor. I'm here in Cursor, I open the folder here, and if you don't know how to open a folder, it's very simple. File, open folder, and this is the place all your files will store. I paste here the link, and then I write a very short prompt, create this using HTML and CSS, put the HTML and the CSS in separate files. I execute, and now what will happen, it's take all the information from Figma and build it in HTML and CSS. So in the meantime, it's work. Just let you know that basically this advanced, what it does in the reality, that it's connect the design in Figma much more easier to code. And that's mean that all of the process of handoff development will be much more easier in very near future. It depends a little bit about the developers, how we work with them, but basically now you can take design in Figma, send them to code, and it will be 100% how you design it in Figma. No more of small tweaks of typography, on sizes, on that stuff. What you have in Figma, you will get in code and you will see it in one moment. It can take 1 or 2 minutes to finish all the task, so I will wait one moment and let's back when it's finished. Okay, it's finished the work. Let's see the result. I have the HTML file here. I drag it to the browser and you can see here the result, and that is exactly how I designed it in Figma. This is the design I did in Figma, and this is the real code Figma with the MCP did in Cursor. And now the question, how you connect the MCP with Cursor. So it's very easy. You only need to do 3 steps to do it. We will do 2 steps in Figma, in 1 in Cursor. So I go now to Figma. The first thing you need to do in Figma is to make update. You go to Figma here and check for updates. By the way, you cannot do this process from the browser. You must use the Figma software on your desktop. The second thing you need to do is to go here to the menu, go to Preferences, and enable the MCP server from here. And that's all the steps you need to do in Figma. Now let's go one moment to the Figma document in their website. I am here on the document. If I go below here, you need to copy this code. So I will copy it, and now I will go to Cursor. In Cursor, I need to click on Cursor here on the top, then move to Settings, and then click on Cursor Settings. Let's go to MCP Tools, this one. And here you need to click on New MCP Server. After click on that, you need to paste the code here. I pasted it before, you can see it here. And if you don't know how to code its work, it's very easy. Just copy what you have here to ChatGPT and tell to ChatGPT to add the code that we copied from the Figma website. And that's all. You save this file. Let's back one moment to the settings. Once it's green, you can import from Figma to Cursor. And again, it's very easy to do. I back to the files that we worked before. Here in the index HTML, I go to the top. I just paste here the link from the screen in Figma and write this very simple prompt, create this using HTML and CSS, put the HTML and CSS in separate files. And that's all. Click on execute, and Cursor will take the information from Figma and develop it for you. So that's all from Figma MCP server. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for a product designer to level up your business, or you're curious about bringing AI into your workflow, my contact info down in the description. Feel free to reach out anytime. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I love to hear your thought or any question you have got. See you in the next one. Take care.